is drawing structure. This is sand, ground table, apical zone. This is radial zone. This is sand zone, near zone, rock, and it বলছে a cursory examination of the procedure for sand drain show that the procedure is fairly involved. It invites simplification, at least for some application. A popular simplification is that of weak drain. A weak drain is just what the name implies, a geosynthetic rope, usually about 100 mm wide and 5 mm thick, which act as a high permeability conduit for water to flow out of the soil and to the surface in a same manner as takes place with sand drain. As is the case with sand drain, they are installed as an array, generally in 3-meter spacing. What are the different types of roller used for compacting different type of soil in field? Explain them briefly. Compare the use of sheep foot and vibratory roller in the surface compaction of granular soil. A variety of equipment is in use for compacting soil in the field. The most important type তাহলে কি বললো, what are the different types of roller, কতগুলো টাইপস রোলার ইউজ করা হয় for compacting different types of soil in the field. Explain them briefly. Compare the use of sheep foot and vibratory roller in the surface compaction of ground. A variety of equipment is in use for compacting soil in the field. The most important types in us are smooth wheel roller, pneumatic tire roller, sheep foot roller, vibrator and impact roller. Appropriate equipment should be used for compaction in field according to the type of soil to be compacted. The characteristics of the different roller are discussed as follows. And smooth wheel roller. These rollers have one large steel drum in front and two steel drums on the rear. The gross weight of this roller is in the range of 8 to 10 tons. The other type of smooth wheel roller is called tandem roller, which weight between 6 to 8 tons. The weight of the roller can be increased up to 20 tons. Non-reversibility of this tractor drawn roller is a major drawback and hence is not very popular. The performance of smooth wheel roller depends upon its load per centimeter width and diameter of the roll. The load per centimeter width is derived from the gross weight of the drum. Smooth wheel rollers are useful for compaction when the material does not require great pressure. These are also used to finish the upper layer. The desirable speed and number of passes appropriate for a specific soil should be established in each project site to get the best production. About 8 passes are adequate for compacting 20 cm layer. Smooth wheel rollers are most suitable for compacting gravel, sand and crushed rock where some crushing action is required. A speed of 3 to 6 km/h is considered appropriate for smooth wheel roller. Next হচ্ছে pneumatic tire roller. Pneumatic tire rollers are used in both earthwork and bituminous work. These rollers have wheels on both the axle, but they are staggered so that they can compact the layer with uniform pressure throughout the width. The two important parameters governing compaction are the tire inflation pressure and the area of the contact. The latest roller have an arrangement to inflate the tire to the desired pressure automatically. The total weight of the roller can be increased from 11 ton to 25 ton or more. Generally, 8 passes of pneumatic tire roller yield almost maximum density. The optimum speed per between 1.6 and 2.4 km per hour. Well, the sheep foot roller for compacting heavy clay and silty clay, sheep foot roller are found to be very effective. These rollers are employed in road and rail project. They consist of steel drums on which projecting legs are fixed, which may apply pressure up to 14 kg per square centimeter or more. Different types of lugs are namely spindle shaped with widened base, prismatic and club foot type. A single drum required to be towed with a tractor, or this can be mobile sheep foot roller with tandem drum. Ballastic with water, wet sand or steel section can increase the weight of this drum. Efficient compaction can take place when these lugs are gradual workout of the roller lugs with successive coverage. Pressure is maximum when a foot is vertical. When the roller moves, the foot which is vertical starts receding and pressure reduces. The compaction takes place from the bottom. In some cases, not only the foot, the drum also starts pressing the ground. It is stated that for best result, the thickness of the loose layer should not exceed by more than 20 mm the length of the feet of the foot. The nature of compaction applied by the sheep foot roller is known as milling, which is pad foot অথবা stamping roller. These rollers are similar to sheep foot roller with larger area than sheep foot roller. The static pad foot roller are called stamping roller, having static weight in the range of 50 to 40 and their static linear drum loads are between 30 and 80 kg per centimeter square. On account of their larger production capacity, they are replacing sheep foot roller. The degree of compaction achieved is more and there is more uniformity of density. They can compact clay material from 30 cm to 40 cm thickness. Vibratory roller. Latest specification of earthwork invariably recommended vibratory roller. These rollers are helpful more several consideration like a higher compaction level can be achieved with maximum work. The compaction can be done up to greater depth. 10. Output is many times more than conventional roller. Although these rollers are expensive, but in the long term the cost become economical due to their higher output and improved performance. Vibratory rollers are similar to smooth wheel rollers with the modification that the drum or drums are made to vibrate by employing rotating or reciprocating mass. Next, grid roller. These rollers have a cylindrical heavy steel surface consisting of a network of steel wires forming a grid with six square holes and may be ballasted with concrete blocks. They are generally towed unit and can operate at speed between 5 and 24 kilometers per hour. Typical weight vary between 5.5 ton net and 15 tons ballast. Bridge roller provide high contact pressure but little kneading action and are suitable for compacting most boat frames. তাহলে গ্রিড রোলার বলছে these roller have a cylindrical heavy steel surface consisting of a network of steel bar forming a grid with square holes হবে and may be ballasted with concrete block. They are generally towed units and can operate at speed between 5 and 24 kilometers per hour. Typical weight varies between 5.5 ton net and 15 ton ballast. Grid roller provide high contact pressure but grid roller provide high contact pressure but little kneading and are suitable for compacting most food grain soil. The grid roller provide high contact pressure but little kneading action and are suitable for compacting most food grains. Now comes to MCQ question. কি question আছে চ্যাপ্টারে? ফার্স্ট কোশ্চেন ইন স্যান্ড্রেন স্যান্ড্রেনে বলছে টাইপ অফ লোডিং কি ইন স্যান্ড্রেন টাইপ অফ লোডিং ইজ this is the assignment. You can assign this question. First question in sanddrain type of loading is radial, preloading, post loading, none of this. You can answer this question. Do minimum, this is assignment for you. Minimum strength for British method in soil cement mix design is A 1.50 MPa, B 1.65 MPa, C 1.72 MPa, and D 2 MPa. Which one is correct? Question 3. Sand drain are provided A to accelerate the consolidation process, B to increase the rate of gain of the shear strength, C in saturated clay, and D for all these. Which of this correct? Now 4. If UV and UR are respectively 67 and 77%, UVR is equal to 7.6%, 51.6%, 92.4%, none of this. Well point system are installed in which one? Compaction, consolidation, drainage and dewatering, preloading process. Now 6. Pre-compression is a technique for in situ densification of sandy soil, silty soil, sandy and silty soil, clay soil. So the diameter of sand wicks is range from 60 mm to 100 mm, 150 mm to 200 mm, 300 mm to 500 meter, 1 meter to 1.5 meter. Which one is correct? You can answer this question. Question 8. For the economic use of vibratory roller, the minimum number of passes normally require 4 to 6 passes, B 2 to 3 passes, C 8 to 10 passes, D 10 to 12 passes. Which one is correct? Please answer the question. Now question number 9. In vertical drain, the permeability of the clay layer is greatly reduced due to reorientation of the soil particle. The phenomenon is known as which one? Blocking, clogging, smear, none of this. 10. The column spacing of the stone column may range from 1 to 2 times the diameter of the column, 3 to 4 times the diameter of the column, 4 to 5 times the diameter of the column, 2 to 3 times the diameter of the column. Question number 3 to 11. Vibratory roller are efficient in compacting sandy soil, both sandy and clay soil, C clay soil, D silty and clay soil. Question number 12. Vibroflotation is an efficient technique to stabilize 1. Highly compressive soil, B cohesionless soil, See, clay and none of this. Which one is correct? Now, question number 13. Preloading is the method of stabilization in which pore water pressure is increased, so the effective pressure is decreased, remaining same, increased, none of this. Number 14. Well point system is installed in compaction, consolidation, drainage or dewatery, and preloading process. Now, question number 15. Sand drains are provided: A. To accelerate the concentration process. B. To increase the rate of gain shear strain. C. In saturated clay. And D. For all of these. 16. Densification of cohesionless soil can be effectively done by rubber tire roller, seafood roller, smooth wool roller, grid roller. Number 17. The radius of sand drain is usually from 0.2 to 0.3 meter, 0.3 to 0.9 meter, 0.4 to 0.6 meter, 0.8 to 1 meter. বলছে underpinning is a method to stabilize column, beam, foundation, superstructure. The following method is not suitable for cohesive soil: dynamic compaction, viboflotation, precompression, sand drain. Number 20. Stone column are not application to deposit highly inorganic silt or clay, loose sand, inorganic clay, inorganic silt. 21. The bitumen may sometimes be used to stabilize the subgrade of road, preferably in plastic clay soil, granular sandy soil, block cotton soil, none of this. Now question number 22. Installation of sand drain causes increase in shear strain, 2. Increase in liquid limit, 3. Increase in plastic limit, 4. Increase in compressive limit. Now question number 23. The following method is not suitable for cohesionless soil. The following method is not suitable for cohesionless soil: A. Dynamic compaction, B. Viboflotation, C. Precompression, D. Compaction by ballasting. Which one is correct? Now 24. The depth of densification attained by impact compaction is 10 to 15 meter, 5 to 10 meter, 1 to 5 meter, 5 to 20 meter. 25. Densification of cohesionless soil can be effectively done by